eagle, falcon, or hawk. A complete guide to distinguishing these birds of prey. Birdwatching can be challenging, especially when it comes to differentiating majestic birds of prey like eagles, falcons, and hawks. Although they share similar characteristics, each bird has unique features and fascinating behaviors. We'll cover every detail you need to confidently distinguish between these powerful predators in the wild. From physical characteristics and flight styles to preferred habitats and hunting techniques, let's unravel the unique world of these birds. Understanding birds of prey and their evolution. First, let's briefly understand the evolutionary background of these birds of prey. Eagles, falcons, and hawks all belong to the order Accipitriformes, a group of birds characterized by their hooked beaks, sharp talons, and incredible hunting instincts. However, each has evolved distinct traits suited to different environments and prey types. These evolutionary adaptations play a key role in distinguishing them visually and behaviorally. Anatomy and physical characteristics. Eagles are among the largest and most powerful birds of prey, with wingspans ranging from 6 to 8 feet, 1.8 to 2.4 meters, in species like the golden eagle. Their large, broad chests and muscular builds make them formidable hunters of larger prey. Eagles' heads are large in proportion to their bodies, housing keen eyes with exceptional color vision. They have an enlarged beak that curves sharply downward, which they use to tear through flesh with precision. Eagles' legs are notably feathered down to the feet in many species, which helps insulate them at higher altitudes or colder climates. Their powerful, thick talons are adapted for grabbing and immobilizing larger prey. The golden eagle, for example, can take down animals as large as foxes and deer fawns. Falcons are smaller, lighter, and built for speed. Their slim, tapered bodies and narrow, pointed wings make them aerodynamic marvels, capable of diving at speeds over 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, in species like the peregrine falcon. Falcons have a distinctive notch in their beak known as the falcon tooth, which they use to swiftly kill prey, especially small birds, by snapping their necks. Their small, efficient bodies help them expend less energy during their high-speed dives, while their talons are optimized for capturing prey midair. Unlike eagles, falcons have shorter tails that help them steer with precision during fast pursuits. Hawks, particularly those in the Buteo genus, are intermediate in size and structure. Their wings are broad but shorter than eagles, allowing them to maneuver through forests with ease. They also have longer tails, which help them pivot and make tight turns as they pursue prey through trees. Red-tailed hawks, for example, have tails almost as long as their bodies, helping them adjust their trajectory quickly. Hawks' legs and talons are powerful but lighter than those of eagles. They prefer smaller prey, like rodents and insects, and often wait in ambush. The rounder wings and longer tails also distinguish them from falcons when in flight, as they rely more on thermal currents for gliding than speed-driven pursuits. Flight and hunting styles. Eagles are powerful soarers. They take advantage of thermal updrafts to reach high altitudes and scan vast areas for prey, conserving energy as they glide. When they spot prey, they descend quickly but rarely dive at high speeds. Instead, eagles rely on their strength to overpower prey on impact. Eagles have forward-facing eyes, providing binocular vision, which helps them judge distances accurately. This is essential when targeting prey from such high altitudes. Falcons are built for speed and are true aerial hunters. They have a unique hunting style known as stooping, where they soar to high altitudes, spot a target, and dive at incredible speeds. This technique allows them to strike prey midair with astonishing force. During a stoop, falcons position their wings close to their bodies to reduce drag, reaching terminal speeds that other birds can't match. Their superb reflexes allow them to adjust their trajectory even at these extreme speeds, making them some of the most precise hunters among birds of prey. Hawks have a more versatile hunting approach, often using a combination of soaring, ambushing, and short chases. They tend to hunt in forested areas where agility is more important than outright speed. When hunting, hawks perch patiently before ambushing prey or gliding swiftly between trees. Hawks' wings provide them with stability and maneuverability in confined spaces, enabling them to chase small mammals, birds, or insects through dense foliage. Habitat preferences and range. Eagles are often found in open landscapes, from mountains to coastlines. Bald eagles, for instance, are commonly found near rivers or lakes, where they can fish and hunt smaller birds. Golden eagles, on the other hand, thrive in mountainous regions where they have clear sight lines and open space for hunting. Falcons, especially peregrines, have adapted to a variety of environments, from open plains to urban areas. Their agility and speed make them well-suited to hunting in open spaces, but they've also found a niche in cities, where they prey on pigeons and other small birds. Hawks prefer wooded environments, although species like the red-tailed hawk are highly adaptable and can be found in fields, forests, and even suburban areas. These versatile hunters are comfortable in both open and semi-forested habitats, where they can hunt a diverse range of prey. Let's review some practical tips for identifying these birds in the field based on flight style, size, and appearance. Eagles. Look for their broad, long wings and large size. Eagles tend to soar for long distances with minimal wing movement. Their massive bodies and heads are easy to spot from a distance. Falcons. Falcons have narrow, pointed wings and are usually smaller than eagles and hawks. Watch for their quick, powerful wing beats and fast, direct flight. When they dive, the characteristic stoop is a clear identifier. Hawks. Hawks have rounder wings and longer tails. They glide between wing beats and are usually seen flying lower than eagles or falcons, especially in wooded areas. Conservation and ecological importance. Beyond their striking features, these birds are essential to ecological balance. They control populations of smaller animals, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. However, habitat loss, pollution, and climate change pose significant threats to birds of prey worldwide. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these incredible hunters and their habitats. Fun facts and lesser-known traits. Let's end with some fascinating facts. Did you know that eagles can see ultraviolet light, helping them spot prey by following urine trails? Or that peregrine falcons have specialized bones in their nostrils to help them breathe during high-speed dives? Hawks have an unusual feature called the nictitating membrane, a transparent third eyelid that protects their eyes during flight. The largest accipitriform, the Harpy eagle. The Harpy eagle is one of the heaviest and most powerful eagles in the world, reaching weights of up to 9 kilograms, 20 pounds, for females and wingspans of around 2 meters, 6.5 feet. The smallest accipitriform, the little sparrowhawk. The little sparrowhawk is one of the smallest members of the Accipitriformes order, measuring only 20 to 25 centimeters, 7.9 to 9.8 inches, in length, with a wingspan of around 40 to 50 centimeters, 15.7 to 19.7 inches. Males weigh around 80 grams, while females are slightly heavier at about 100 grams. Now that you know the differences, you're ready to identify eagles, falcons, and hawks on your next birdwatching adventure. Share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe for more insights into the wild world of birds.